I hope in the previous session, we started with most important topic, variable arguments concept. We discussed it. Keyword arguments, right? So let's go to that. Under the functions, we have discussed about types of arguments and parameters. As a part of that, we talked about positional arguments, default arguments, keyword arguments completed. These three are completed. And moreover, after that, and we have seen positional arguments. What is the use of it? We have seen. What is the importance of it? And the programs on it, we have seen it. And also we discussed about default arguments. Come in. Default arguments also we discussed it. What is the use of default arguments? What are the syntax of that also completed? And later we already discussed about it. Another part of it, we have seen it. What is it? Keyword arguments also we have seen it. That also we completed it. And what is the use of everything? We got it in the last class. And today we are entering into another part of the discussion. Variable length arguments we are going to discuss. Okay. So the last two mechanisms we are going to discuss. So many students are absent. So totally are under underground. So anyhow, we'll start. All students, try to follow me carefully. Let's take an example. Through an example, I will explain first. Python. There I will talk something like this. So now I'm going to say program for demonstrating, important. Program for demonstrating variable arguments. Variable arguments. So take that main program, you come once. Main program you take. There I am talking something like this. Display of 10, 20, 30, 10, 20, 30, 40. What it is called? Come on, everybody. Function call. It's called function call, students. It's come in. It's called function call. So I'm going to say, carefully watch it, students. Function call number 1. What we will do? Is it necessary to define or not? Necessary to define. How do you define it, guys? DEF display of A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D. Print of A, B, C, D. C, D. It is done. See, students, carefully follow. So this is called function call number 1, and then function definition 1 also done. Corresponding definition 1 I am going to take up. Okay, now try to run this. I am writing variable args example1.py. Variable argument example1.py. Try to save this code. Now I am going to take up. Go to the functions. Try to save this. Coming to the command prompt, D:. So go to your location, 6 p.m. And next is called what do you know? There I am going to take functions. Try to run this. Py, output is coming 10, 20, 30, 40. Okay, no issue. Up to here, no issue. Second, carefully observe it. From here onwards, our concept will start. Display of 10, 20, 30. 10, 20, 30. 10, 20, 30. Function call number 2. What is your observation in both of them? You observe. What is your observation? Come on, everybody. In both the places, what is same? Function name is same. In both the places, what is same? Function name is same. Function name is same. What is different? Arguments are different. Arguments and Japan. Yesterday I told you that what are different? Arguments are different. Function name is same. Arguments are different. How many arguments here? Here, how many arguments? 3. So, for function call number 2, will it go to the definition 1? Come on. Yes or no? No. No. That indicates who are saying yes, they did not touch the book at all yesterday onwards. Here, how many values are there? How many parameters are there? Will it go there? Then why are you saying yes? Huh? Come on, general small knowledge also not there. Just only skeleton is there. So, will it go to number 2? Will it go to this function call number 2 to function call definition 1? Now, what should I do? What should I do? Another definition I need to write. DEF A comma B comma C. A comma B comma C. There I am writing now. Print of A comma B comma C. I am writing. This is called a function definition 2. Function definition number, function definition 2. Print of ABCD. Print of ABC I am taking. And there I am going to run it. What is the answer? Generally, you are thinking that going to this place or not. Next it is going to this place or not. What is the answer now? 10, 20, 30, 40. And next is what? 10, 20, 30. 10, 20, 30. This is what we are going to get it. This is what we are going to get it. 10, 20, 30, 40. 10, 20, 30. This is the one what you are going to get it. Fine. Now, this is wrong answer. This is a wrong answer because when PVM is coming to this part of the execution, first it comes to where? Line number 3. It won't execute, but it comes to know this is a function. Next it is coming to where? Line number 6. It is also coming to know the function. Which function name? Same function name. When it comes to the same function name with a different parameters, PVM is an interpretation job is doing. It remember only one name only it will remember. It can't remember this is the same name na. It remember the latest one only. It can't remember the previous one. So that it will give you error. Let us go to that. It is a display 1. This is a display 2. That time there is no problem at all. Display 1 and display 2. There is no problem at all. You will get what? 2 different answers will come. But the point is what here? But the point is what? Same name. When it is containing the same name, what is happening? When PVM is coming to line number 3, line number 6, which one it will remember? Latest one only it will remember. Why? Same name is there. So, when it comes to line number 9, how many function definitions it will remember? Only one. Which one? Display function which takes how many parameters? 3. Now it is coming to line number 10. It is a call containing how many? 4. But what it remembers? 3. 3. That means this is going to this place only now. Is it matching? It is called an error. It is called an error. Why this point is taking place? Because PVM is a interpretation. That means if I take it, if I take like that, A is equal to 1, A is equal to 2, A is equal to 3, and A is equal to 4, which A it will remember? Last one only it will remember. If I take A, B, C, D now, it will remember all of them. Now you see the error now. See the error now. Error. Type error. Display takes how many? But how many you are given? It is taking 3 only, but you are giving how many arguments? 4. Are you following me? Suppose if I change the order of it, what it remembers? 4 a function name with 4 parameters it remember. First one is matching or not. Second one is taking 3, but it is going to this place only. Error will come. First one answer is coming. And the second one error or not? Error it is coming. So if I go back to my previous order as it is an error. Are you getting, students? So how can you overcome this? Suppose once again I am writing display of what? 1020. Don't take much time, students. This is called what here? Function call number 3. Function call number 3. Function call number 3 means what? Again, I will write one more function here. What is my function name? Function call definition 3. How many it is taking? 2. Now tell me, PVM will remember which line? 3 now, 6 or 9 now? 9 it will remember. You try to execute, it will give you an error. Taking 2 only, but you are passing how many? So if I keep a comment for 14, it will give you the 15th error, 15th line error or not? Error it is giving. Execute it, again error. It is taking 2, but you are passing how many? 3. If I keep a comment here, again it is going to give you what? Answer is coming for the last. Following me? So that is for this. This is matching. In simple word, let me continue it. Once again, I am writing display of what? 10 I am passing. It is called function call number 4. Function call number 4. Function call number 4. Again, I will define it. Take care, students. There I am writing what? A only I will write it. A only I will take it. Finally, I am writing here. Definition number 4. Definition number 4. Start the flow now. How many function calls? How many definitions? Even though it took 4, but which one is taken? 4th one only taken. Rest of them are not executing, not considered at all. It is going to be an error. Then, is this program will execute or not? Is this program will execute or not? Quickly. Is this program executes or not? No. This program will not execute. Will not execute as it is. Will not execute as it is. Then how to execute? Let us copy paste. Let us copy paste. Take care. How to execute? Now I am going to talk. This program will execute. Now I am going to execute this program. How to execute it? Any technique you want to give? Online students are able to get this, first of all, these points. Are able to understand these points? Please confirm it once. Now, I'm going to this place. Variable arguments example 2.py. Display of ABC. Now I want to execute. How do you execute? Based on this, define the function, call the function immediately. You define it and call it immediately. Will you follow me? You define it and call it immediately. One line I am writing. What it is indicating? You are calling, you are defining and calling immediately. So PVM will remember or not? This is a simple technique I am applying. Anyhow, I want to execute it. Then again, I want to execute that function defining, calling immediately, and then see that carefully. Now I am saying like this. Again, you call it, students. Again, you call it. See that now. You execute this now. Done. Again, you see now. These points you see. This is the one I am saying. You call it, define it, and then call it. Are you following me? This program will execute. Defining, calling, defining, calling, defining, calling. Got it down? Execute this code. Execute this code. Save this. Come out of that. Try to see the students. PY. I got the answer like this. Are you getting me? This is an answer of what we got it. What we got it is like this. Now, if I remember it, function call definition, function call definition, function call definition, function call definition. If I have 100 function calls are there, how many definitions required? 100 function definitions are required. Is it not a waste of time? This is called a waste of time. This is called a waste of time. Is there any mechanism to define 100 definitions? I don't want. I want to define how many definitions only? One definition only I want to define. For how many function calls? 100 family of similar function calls. Is it a similar function call or not? Similar function call. 100 similar function calls are there. But how many definitions I want? Only one definition. This is what is called a variable arguments concept I am applying now. Shall I go now? Normal Python program. Once again, normal Python program will not execute at all. Later, I applied my intelligence and we executed. And after executing, we are getting a conclusion that what is it? If I have 4 function calls, 4 definitions are there. It is a waste of time. Now I am going to take up. I'll copy this code. I want to take it. N number of function calls you take it. N number of function calls you take it. But don't define these many number of functions. And that too we applied some technique. By default, it is not executing. Now I am going to say this type of conclusion now. How many function calls I have? 4. Today I am going to define how many functions now? Only one function. That's why I'm giving pure variable arguments example now. Come on, start. How many definitions? Only one definition. DEF. What is my function name? Display. Take one parameter name. Take one parameter name. Take any parameter name on your own. Before that parameter, you write the word a symbol called what? Asterisk. Asterisk is called what? Star. Write the symbol called what? Star K. Very, very important. Write star K, colon. Because of writing star K, take one formal parameter. Before that, you write what? Star K. The speciality of this parameter star param is called what? Is called what here? Variable length parameter. Variable length parameter. And whose type is tuple. Why tuple? First function call you take it. First function call. What is happening? It goes to which function? Display. How many values are going? All the 4 values are stored in where? Star K. K gado. Star K. Star K. K means only positional parameter. This star K is called what? What is the difference between K and star K? K can hold what value? Single value. Star K can hold what values? K will take what value? Single value. Star K will take what value? That is the speciality. When the function call number 8, it will go to which function? Display. 10, 20, 30, 40 stored in where? Star K. Star K can hold how many values? Any number of values it can hold. What is the type? Tuple. Sir, why not list, sir? Because whenever you are passing similar values, different values, any type of values, you can pass it. Unique plus duplicate. It is not a list. Why? Because once the values are transferred there, it is not possible to change the values. Once if I am sending the value to you, you cannot change that value. That means it is list or tuple. So it is an immutable component I need to take it. List is called what? Mutable. Now I am taking, if you understand me, I am writing K comma type of K I am writing. Just first example. First you understand. Keep the comment, students. Keep the comment here. Keep the comment. Start. First function call. How many definitions I am defining? Only one. Only one I am defining. So 10, 20, 30, 40 going to the star K or not? So print of what? K comma type of K. It is getting printed. What values? 10, 20, 30, 40. All of them are stored in the K. How it is storing, K is equal to, what are the values are available here? 10, 20, 30, 40. It will be storing like this. It will be storing like that. And see the symbolic notation, which type it is? Tuple type. Let us execute this now. Let us execute. Am I defining one function or more than one function? One function or more than one function? One function. Now I am writing pure variable arguments example 1.py. See the answer. What is the type? Tuple. How many values came? 4. One more time. Remove the another comment. Remove the another comment. Execute. Next time, how many values are going? 3 values. First time, what? How many? 4. Next time, how many? 3. Remove the next comment. Remove the next comment. How many are executing? 2. Next, remove another comment. Remove another comment. How many are coming? 1 is coming. Execute, it is coming like this. How many definitions I defined? 1. Is it not a great concept? What is my function name? Same function name. Family of similar function call. Family of similar function call. With what values? Variable number of values. 3 values here, 4 values here, 3 values here, 2 values here, 1 value here. Is it not called a variable number of values? How do you pass a variable number of argument values? Positional arguments, no. Default arguments, not possible. Keyword arguments also not possible. Which is an argument possible? Variable length argument only can hold it. Got it? Huh? Now, how do you print this data now? Come on, print now. Now I am writing. Now I am writing, students. Just for a minute, I am writing like this. Now I am saying, here I am writing print of number of values. Number of values. I am writing their format of len of what? K. len of K. How do you print those values? For V in where? K. Print of what? Print of, I see here something like this. Dot format of V, comma, end is equal to some backslash T, some space I am giving it. Some space I am giving it. After that, I am going to print. Let me, after that, I'll show you. The line also printed in the last part only. Try to see, students. For first one you see. Later I will remove the comment for other things. Execute. Execute. See this. What happens? So, len of K, one more bracket. Execute it. What is happening? Number of values are 4. 10, 20, 30, 40. This last line is going to print in the end only now. Because this is cursor is waiting there only. Cursor is printing 10, 20, 30, 40. Still my cursor is waiting here only. That's why it is printing like this. I have to bring the cursor down to the next line or not. That's why once the for loop is over, bring the cursor to the next line. Print off, I said. Execute. Execute. There I got it. Number of values are what? 4. Now the values are printed. Getting? Next, remove the another comment. Execute. Number of values are how many? 3. 3 values are printed. Next, you remove the another comments also. Another comments also. You execute it. Number of values are 3. 2 values and then 1 value printed. Next, I am going to write one more also. Display of. What is this now? Function call number 5. Function call number 5. Empty. Nothing is there. It's not only numbers you can pass. You can pass what you know. You can pass some names also. So 10 comma, you can pass the values. 10 comma, Rakesh comma, some 45.67 comma, true comma, 2 plus 3j comma, like this you can pass it. You see the data? Am I getting or not? What do you understand with this? Similar function call. How many definitions I did? 1 definition. It's a great concept or not? What is this star K called? Variable length. Star param is called variable length. What is the type of it? Whose speciality is what? To store variable number of values coming from the similar function call. Is it clear? Right. One more example. Let me go for it. Second example, I want to go for it. See the second example, student. Now I am going to take up. Watch it. Carefully watch it. Now I am writing something like this. Okay, take care. 3.2.py. See my point. Main program. My intention is positional params I want to use. Default params also I want to use. Positional params and default params. Find the sum of 100 rosum. 100 is a number, ID, rosum is a person. He want to find the sum of 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. What is this is called? Function call number 1. Function call number 1. Observe the function call, students. Find sum. I am taking 200. I am taking here Travis. Travis, I am taking. Here I am writing. He want to find the sum of what? Sum of what? 10, 20, 30, 40. Here how many values you want to find? Sum of 5 numbers. He want to find sum of how many? 4. But what is same? ID name is constant. Here also ID name is there. But what are different? Number of values you want to find is different. Getting or not? Next, function call number 2. One more time I am writing. 30. Most important. I say here some scientist name I am writing. Like this I am writing. He want to find the sum of 2 numbers. This is called a function call number 3. One more I will take it. 400. 400 I want to write it. So something like I am writing here, Dennis. He want to find the sum of 2 numbers only. What did you understand with this? Tell me now. Last and final is called a 5. 5. He is called what, you know? So I am writing like this. He want to find the only one number. That is called here 4 and this is called a 5. Last and final 6. 6. Another one 600. Now I am writing one person name. Next is called what? KVR I am writing. I don't want to find any number sum at all. This is called function call number 6. What did you understand, students? Study the constant data. What is your ID name? But these are all called what? 5 values, 4 values, 3 values, 2 values, 1 value, no value. What did you understand? First 2 are called what? Positionals. Next are called what? Variable length parameter. Spell out. Come on, define now. DEF. Step over the waist now. Find sum. Come on. SNO, comma. S name, comma. Star vals. Star vals. Any variable name. Star vals. See that point. Star vals is called what? Variable length argument. And first one I am using what? Positionals. Next, last I am using what? Variable length argument. Whenever you are using variable length argument along with the positionals, they should be used what? Last. Last only you need to use. That too, how many variable length arguments? Only one. Only one. Positional arguments can be many. Default arguments can be many. Keyword arguments can be many. But what? Variable length argument is only one. And these are very important points. Now, are you following me? That too, where I am using? Last. You may ask a question. Sir, default also you said last. This is also last. But if I use both of them, which one is the last? I'll come to that. First of all, are you following me? Now, come on now. Print the data, students. Print the data, students. 50. Now I am writing here. Now I am writing here. Print of. Tell me. Student ID. Student ID. Printing what? Format of what? SNO. Next I am taking. Print of what? Student name I am writing. Dot format of S name. S name I am saying. Now I want to print the sum. How do you print the sum? Come on, you know already. S is equal to 0. Come on, fast. For. Come on. Value in vals. Value in where? Vals. S is equal to S plus val. If you want to print the value also, you can print it. Backslash T. See, students. Format of what? Val. Vals got the val. From values you are taking one value. And you are printing. The type of sum you are printing. What are you printing, students? Now you are writing here. Sum is equal to dot format of yes, you are saying. Are you following me? There you are taking. Sum you are taking. Main program. First you take this type of multi-line comment I am giving students. Start executing this part. Start all of you. 100 will go to where? SNO. Rosum will go to S name. All these values will go to what? Star vals. Printed. Sum is printed. Online students, please follow me. See that. Done. Execute the code. PY. See the answer now. ID, name, and values, and getting this 150 or not? Getting a next. Remove the another comment. Remove the another comment. Execute. Come on, next time what is going? 200 is going to SNO. Travis will go to this place. And 10, 20, 30 will go to where? Star vals. Already you know, na? S is equal to 0, adding the values and all these logics over. Execute it. See the students. This is the first kind of calling. Second kind of calling. Answer is what? 100. Getting? Similarly, I'll go for removing the comment for other thing. Removing the comment for other thing. Execute it. See that last 300 values are what? 60. Out of that, beginning values are already continued. Next, last but one I am using. Now I am using directly like this. See that last part of it, 2 values and last value 10 is printed. Are you getting my point? Getting. Done. Now I am going to take up this type of data. This type of data. Last one, nothing is printed. What is the sum is equal to? 0. Are you getting? How many definitions I am defining? Only one. But how many calls are there? The beauty behind that is called what? Variable arguments. Variable? It's a very frequently asked question. Star param is called what? Variable length argument. What is the type of it? Tuple. Shall I move forward? Okay. Carry on, students. Carry on now. Third example. Now I am going to third example. Carefully follow. Pure variable argument example 3. Same thing. All these people are living in India, for example. All these people are learning, for example, what? Learning Python course or learning some living in India, for example. What I will do? Default argument I should use or not? Default argument is what? Last. Variable argument also what? Last. But which one to use what? That is the question mark. Now see, I am trying to write before that. City is equal to what I am writing? HYD I will write it. Or India. Country is equal to what? India. City is equal to Hyderabad I wrote it. Please follow me carefully. Start answering. Living city I will write it. Print of everybody. Living city. Living city. I am writing, students. Dot format of what? City I am saying. Start understanding. First, what is going? 100 is going here. Rosam is going here. 10 is going to where? City. 10 is going to city. Rest of the 20, 30, 40 going to where? Star vals. For all of them, first 10 is going to where? City. And there is no question of printing Hyderabad except for what? Last person. Try to run this and observe it. Try to run this and observe it. If I go to this, see the answer now. What is happening? Living city 10, living city 10, living city 10, city 10. Last one is called living city Hyderabad. We are able to use it. We are able to use it. But what is happening? Wrong result is coming or not? That's why we must use always. When both of them are coming into picture, what is the last priority always? Default. Tell me now, you are coming to know. When default and variable length is coming, which one to use what? Default last. Before the default, what do you will use? Before variable length? Positional argument. Can I use default before the positional argument? No. Already we have seen it in yesterday. So, come on students, everybody. 100 will go to where? Rosam will go to where? These values are going to where? And the city is what? Will remain same. You try to execute. See the answer, students. See the perfect answer. Here, got it. Living city, Hyderabad. Also Hyderabad. And this is also Hyderabad. Also here. Also like that. Also Hyderabad. Are you following me? Now, my point of question is, when I am using both variable length and then what? Default. Which one is lost? First one is what? Positionals. Next one what? Variable length. Next default. Will you remember? When default and variable length is coming, which one is the lost? Before. That before. Positionals. Will you remember? Okay. Now I am going to say the person called what? Kernigan. Kernigan is living in USA. Living in USA. What he will do? This person next. One more example I want to tell you. I don't want to disturb here. Separately I will write it. All of them I don't want to keep it. Go to the example number 4. 4. Take care. Now tell me. Kernigan. Kernigan is living in where? USA. What should I do? Come on, how do you write it? Suppose, can I write HYD here? Can I write USA here? If I write star 10 comma USA, both of them are going to where? Star vals. Star vals are going to get first 10 is added to 0, no problem. Next time 10 plus what is coming? USA. That time you will get what? Problem of adding, you will get it. Let us see the error. After that, I will do the change. After that, I will do the change. See, PY, see that error is coming or not? 10 USA, it is getting, this time you are getting the problem of STR. Are you getting, students? Then how do you pass it, guys? Keyword argument you need to use. How you are using? City is equal to what? Is equal to what? USA. When I am using both the variable length and then default, you are passing the value for default exclusively by using what? Keyword argument. See that? Execute. Now I got perfectly. Kernigan, USA, value 10. Others are belongs to what? Hyderabad. Others are belongs to Hyderabad. Are you following me? Now, can I write like these, students? Can I write like these, students? Now see here, I am writing like this. Same value. City is equal to USA. I am writing in the beginning like this. Here I am writing like this. Can I write like this? Or suppose, don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. Here I am writing. Dennis is there. Dennis is assume that Russia. He is Russia. So what I am doing here? City is equal to RSA. I am writing RSA. Tell me. City is equal to RSA. Valid or invalid? Come on. Valid? Invalid? Invalid, raise your hands. Invalid, okay. Girls and boys, okay. Why invalid, ma? Order means? Which one is, because of which one is an error will come. So here, what is happening? Come on, this 400 go to where? S name will go to where? City will go to where? This rest of the values are going to where? Valid or invalid? Valid. Invalid or valid? It is invalid. Invalid. This city is equal to RSA. After that, it is looking like what arguments? Positional arguments. Are they not looking like positional arguments? Right, positional arguments. But before the positional arguments, what I am using? Keyword. That means when I am using default argument with what? Variable length, you have to always use the default argument in the last in the function call. You cannot use in the middle. See the line number 21 error. See the line number 21 error. See that line number 21 error. What is that error? Positional arguments follows what? Keyword argument. Important. This we should not pass like that. We have to pass always like this only. I hope you are getting my point. Online students, did you understand my point? If at all you want to interested to pass it, if at all you are interested to pass it, I have to pass this as what? Come on. How do you pass it? I should say like this. Say here, I'm writing, what is this? RSA. You pass like this. You execute it. Now you'll get the answer. What is this? RSA. Others are what? HYD only. I hope you are understanding. Shall I move forward now? Online students, is it understandable? In this case, positionals are there, variable length is there, default is there. Here also we are using keyword also. First day you see the second day, third day examples, and this passing mechanisms you see. Is your knowledge is increasing or not? So let's go to the concept of what? Variable length arguments concept. With the normal programming takes what time? More time. But with the keyword arguments, variable length arguments takes less time or not? Let's go to the place. I'll bring it. One small rule here, students. Variable length arguments, I want to take it. Let me open the documentation here. See, students, come on, read out carefully. Come on. When we have family of multiple function calls, stop. Family of multiple function calls means display. With what values? Variable number of values are arguments. Then with a normal Python programming, we must define multiple function definition. Already you have written now? Definition calling. Is it takes more time or not? This process leads to more development time. To overcome this process, we must use the concept of variable length parameters. How to implement it? To implement variable length parameters concept, we must define single function definition, and it takes formal parameter preceded with a symbol called asterisk. In the bracket, star param. And the formal parameter with asterisk symbol is called variable length parameters, and whose purpose is to hold or store any number of values coming from similar function calls, and whose type is tuple. Getting? Good. Syntax, function name with variable length. See, students, DEF, function name, list of formal params, star param 1, param 2 is equal to value. See the order, list of formal parameters, star, later what? Default. Got it up? Next, you come to the point back. Here, star param 1 is called what? Variable length parameter, and it can hold any number of argument values or variable number of argument values. And star param 1 type is called tuple. There is a rule. Two rules are there. One rule is what? Always to be used only one, that to last. The star param must be always written last part of function heading, and it must be only one, but not multiple. Star value 1, star value 2, we cannot use. If at all we use with what? Default, it will be in the before that. We can use it, but what is happening? Wrong answer is coming. And regarding the calling part, you see, students, how I am calling it? You see, students, how I am calling it? City is equal to last part I am using, right? We cannot call in the middle of it. That is the rule I am writing now. See, when we use variable length and default arguments in function heading, we use default parameter as last, and before we use variable length parameter, and in function calls, we should not use a default parameter as keyword argument, because variable number of values are treated as positional argument values. Important rule that is. You got it up? So this is the point I would like to address. We cannot use it as a default variable name, cannot be used as what? Keyword argument. We have to use the keyword argument in the last part of it. In the function call, I am saying. This is an important. Even if I don't write it, you will not get it. But I want to use all the mixing values. Online students, did you understand up to here? Is it clear about this concept? Now I am going to enter into the, which mechanism it is? Variable length arguments. Tell me what is the use of positional arguments? To pass the specific values. 1 to 1, 2 to 2, n to n. Order to be maintained, meaning to be maintained. Specific data passed. Default arguments to specify the common value for similar function call. Keyword argument, I know the function name, I know the parameter names, and we want to pass the data in any order. Correct data I want to pass. I don't know the order of it, but I want to pass the data correctly. I'll go for what? Keyword arguments. Variable length arguments. I have 10 function calls of same, but variable number of values I'm passing. 10 values, 5 values, 6 values, 9 values, 100 values I'm passing. I don't want to define 100 times. I want to define how many times? Only one time. That one time writing is done by function name with a variable star param name. I need to use it. I hope you are getting, students. Fine. Online students, is it clear? Is it clear? So almost 41, 42 students absent. Offline also same. Totally underground only, I hope so. Next, I want to go for what? Keyword variable length. Keyword variable length, I want to go for it. Let's start with a keyword variable length. Easy. That also through programming only I want to explain. That also through programming only I want to show you everything. Okay, students, carefully follow me now. Carefully follow. Now I'm going to take up. Let's start the discussion now. All of you carefully follow. Now I'm going to take up example. Now file new, others, and then Python. Program for same. It is looking like previous, but it is different pattern. Program for demonstrating keyword variable length arguments. It is a combination of what? Keyword will come, variable length will come. Okay, come to main program. Come to main program. Take care. Now I am passing. Display. A is equal to 10, comma B is equal to 20, C is equal to 30, D is equal to what? 40. D is equal to 40. What did you understand? What is that function called? Is that positional arguments or default arguments or keyword arguments? Keyword? Right. Up to here it is keyword arguments. Okay. Go. Now what should I define? Don't take much time, students. Function call one or not? What do you do? Definition I need to go or not? Come on. DEF display A comma B comma C comma D. Okay. I'll print it. How I am printing? A value, B value, C value, D value. I want to print it. How I will print it? I am just saying some small line, students. Some small line I want to take up, guys. Now I am writing A comma B comma C comma D. I am taking and I am passing this value. Are you following me? Please follow me. Take care. 10 is going to this 10 and B is going to contain, C is going to contain, D is going to contain. Even not necessary to follow the order. You can pass like this also. Kada? Are you following me? Like this also you can pass. Okay. Now I am writing, students, keyword variable length args example1.py. Follow me. Now I am going to save my example. Functions. Save it. Execute this code. Py. See the answer now. What happens? So it is saved in where? So it was saved in some different location. Go once. Maybe saved in 11 AM, students. Save as. Go to your place. 6 PM. You save it in functions. You save it. Okay. Now you execute it. Done. We got the values or not? We got the values. Okay. Now I want to go for, take care, ma. Don't get confusion. Next I'm writing like this. Display only. Function call 2. Now I'm saying, you see, x is equal to HYD. Next I'm writing Y is equal to Bangalore, Bangalore. Z is equal to something like Mumbai. Mumbai I am writing. Something like this I am writing. So coming to the point of it, coming to the X is equal to HYD, Y is equal to Bangalore, Z is equal to what? Mumbai. This is called a function call number 2. This is also called what? Keyword argument only. Will this function call number 2 will go to function call number 1? No. Why? Because X not there, Y not there, Z is not there. But what is totally different or not? You try to run this code again. Try to run this code again. Try to run and see the answer now. Display got unexpected keyword called what? X. What it is supposed to take? A, B, C, D only. But you are taking all of a sudden different or not? Then what should I do now? Come on. I should go for what? You are planning to define what? X, Y, Z. X, Y, what? Z. X, Y, Z. You are taking X, Y, Z. Close. Now you print the data called what? X comma Y comma Z you write it. X comma Y comma Z. This is called a function call number 1. This is called a function call number function definition. This is called what? Function definition 1. Take care, students. There is no hurry. Same as previous model only. Do 2. Tell me now. What did you understand? Will it execute or error? Execute or error? Execute. Somebody saying execute. Are you present but you are in underground only? Execute or error? Error. Why? It is always remember the latest one. Suppose if you say display 1, display 2, there is no problem. It will execute perfectly. Display 1, display 2, no problem. It will execute perfectly. You see, got it. But they are what? Here they are different. But today my requirement is what? Same. Here how many arguments? 4. 4 keyword arguments. Here how many keyword arguments? 3. That too they are totally different. 4 keyword arguments, 3 keyword arguments are called what? Keyword variable length arguments. Keyword variable length 4, 3, 2, 1 like that. Getting or not? See the error. Which one will remember? Latest one. Line number 3 na 8. But when it comes to 15, will it go to 1 na 2 na? Will it go to definition 2 na definition 1 na? Definition 2. Is it matching? No, it is C is coming. It is getting what? X. It is giving what? Unexpected variable C it will give you the error. See that now? Unexpected argument called what? C. Getting? How do you solve this issue then? One more example, I will take it. One more example I am taking. What is that example, Seema? I will take it K, and I am writing L, and I am writing M. I am writing M. I am writing here what? N. N also I am writing. What is this now I am taking? You see, students, 100, and the name is called something like, Rosam I am taking. Next I am taking something like, Python I am taking. Python I am taking. And next I am taking something like 33.33 I am taking. It is a definition number 3 or not? What should I do? Define, guys. Tell me, ma. I will take it here. One more definition I am saying, guys. What is it? Come on. K comma L comma M comma N. What is this? Comma I will write. K comma L comma N. K comma L comma M comma N. I wrote K comma L comma M comma N. Are you able to follow? Try to run this code. What is this now? Definition number 3. Definition number 3. Will it execute? No. It will remember what function? Line number 13 only. It can't remember these things. Are you following me? How many calls are there? 3. How many definitions are there? So I can say this program, come on, will not execute as it is. Will not execute as it is. When you write the program like that, it won't execute. How can I execute it? Will you plan it to execute with your logic? Come on, fast. Go to the place and see this now. Will you plan it to execute? Cut this part and call it immediately. Cut this part and plan it immediately. Are you following me? This is one thing. One more is called what here, students? Second function call. I'll cut from here. I'll call it. Define and then immediately do what? Call it. Function call number 2. Next I'm going to take it what? Definition number 3. Definition number 3. Defining calling. Defining calling. This program will execute. This program will execute. So see this now. 2.py. 2.py. Careful. Here I am writing. Save it. Go to that. Go to your location. 6 p.m. Under functions. Under functions. Save. Execute. 2.py. Py. See students. Got the answer or not? But what is the problem here? How many function calls? 3. 3 function calls. How many definitions? 3 function definitions. If I have 300 function calls, how many definitions? Is it not waste of time? Will I solve this problem? Yes. By using which concept? Keyword, variable, argument concept is there. Using that, we can sort it out. Can I go? Let's start. Let's start the discussion, students. All of you. I'll copy this mechanism. I'll copy this mechanism. See, students. Very easy. There we are going to discuss. Remove this entire stuff. Remove this entire stuff. Now I am writing what? Pure. This program will execute now. Pure keyword variable arguments example 1.py. How many function calls I am having? 3. I may have 300 function calls. Are they similar or different? Similar function call. What I do to avoid the problem of waste of development time, DE, what is my function name? Display. Write one parameter K. Take your own name, KVR. I will take my own name, first letter called K. Before that, I am writing 2 stars. 2 stars I am writing. There earlier single star. Here 2 stars I am writing. Why 2 stars you are writing, sir? 1 star is holding all keys, students. All keys can hold in 1 star. Another star can hold what? All values can hold. So in 1 star can hold keys, another star can hold values. So star K is what type? Dict type. Which type? Star K is what? Tuple type. Just K is what? Positional. Star K. Dict. Star K. K is equal to Hyderabad. Default. You got it? Only K. Positional. Star K. Tuple. Variable length. Star K. Keyword variable length. Dict. K is equal to Hyderabad in function definition. Keyword. K is equal to Hyderabad in function call. Keyword. You got it up? See, one variable with different roles. See, students. Now write it. Here I am writing. Did you understand that? Star K, star K. Here, tell me, star K. Tell me, star K is called what? Variable length. Variable length. Keyword variable length. Sorry. What is this, ma? Keyword variable length. Arguments. Keyword variable length arguments. So, and it is of what type? Whose type is dict type. Sir, how do you print it now? How do you print it now? So, Naveen, my dear student, I already seen your doubt, ma'am. Sir, edit plus or PyCharm, what is important in industry? Already you put your doubt previously. I already told many times in the class what is important. PyCharm I said to practice in that only I said. Naveen, already you posted the doubt once. I have seen it. I ignored it. Every chat message I will see. When I'm not responding means you have to understand that sir already announced it. What is that? Even if you put in the capital letter, small letter also, already I have seen it, your doubt. I have seen your doubt. I will show you where is your doubt. This is your doubt. I have seen it few minutes back. I did not respond to you because I already said that part to you. Okay, Naveen. So I hope it is there. Yeah, this is the one. 7 o'clock, 1 minute, you said this doubt. I have seen it. This is called 7 o'clock, 1 minute. This is your doubt. Okay, now 7 o'clock, 1 minute. You are wasting my time. This is PM. And now you are coming to this time. Now, this time you are coming across again. So, this is again you are getting it. 7 o'clock, 11 minutes you are getting. This is called 7 o'clock, 11 minute. Like a police challan, you are giving me capital letters. So, I have already seen it. Morning to evening, I will see the class observation, chart window, everything. Okay, student. What is important? Tell me. Naveen should tell. Naveen should tell me. So, that's what, ma. Your doubt was already clarified. Your doubt was already done in before only now. I said edit plus is no use. What is that? PyCharm. But you need to know all the things. Today, Honda City car is there with power steering. Ambassador car is there. Our 1947 CM's run. Which one you drive? Power wheel, power steering only, na? So like lorry drivers will move like that wheel. Will you drive that? So, but you need to have an idea about it. Naveen, understand? Huh? Okay, now I got it. So Naveen understand, whose doubt also I will keep it here. So Naveen was cool now. So understand space is there. That is also not, I did not understand. Understand. Understand is only one word. Finally, Naveen doubt is clarified. My 2 minutes time is wasted. Shall I continue, Naveen? Shall I continue now? No. Don't worry, my dear student. Don't worry. Can I continue now? Can I continue? Okay. Done. I will show you this example in PyCharm also. I'll copy paste. Right up. Start. What I'll do? Come on, fast. Print of K comma type of what? K. Type of K. Now keep the comment here. Keep the comment here. Execute. Of course, I can understand student enthusiasm and then their excitement. I can understand. When I was in my intermediate, that time only by seeing my mathematics, sir, I decided I want to become a teacher. I thought that time only. And later, after engineering is over, I changed my mind. Teacher job is very difficult. And by seeing my engineering level of faculties, they are very much feeling difficulty to explain. Intermediate, I have a zeal of becoming the teacher by seeing their way of explanation. And by seeing the next level, I felt very much disappointed. But later I decided, because wherever they are unable to teach, if I want to teach perfectly, students will come up. Like that, I decided at that time. That's why that excitement I know already. Student will have that excitement. That excitement, everything I will explain in the class. Day one only I said, everything of your doubts will be clarified. Beginning, how many people used to raise the doubts? 20, 25 people used to raise the doubts. Here, not even one student will raise the doubt these days. Why? Two reasons are there. One is reading every day becoming perfect. That is number one. Number two, not at all reading, not getting any doubts. That is another thing. Two reasons are there. I know every psychology of the student. 26 years onwards, I am with students. Two reasons. One is understanding everything. One more is not at all touching the book. Unnecessarily, if I ask the doubts, sir may shout on me like that. That is another way. Which way is that? Student has to take care. But I will give with my wholehearted, everything I will explain. There is no doubt in that. You observed my commitment towards my subject and timing of my class and everything, right? Are you following my commitment? Right. Come to the point of it. So now start, execute. So come to the point back. Now I'll go to the point here. Run this now. See that now. What is coming? C is equal to D is equal to A is equal to B is equal to which type? Dict type. Next, go to the next one. Remove the comment for next one. One more is printed. Of course, here I will print. Here I will print. So now I said like this. Here, coming to the point back. Second time, one more dict is printed or not? Next, am I defining one function, more than one function? One function. Remove another one. Execute. Again, what type? Another dict type coming or not? Now, instead of that, you can write your own thing. ID. ID. What is this now? Name. Another one is called what? Sub. What is this now? Marks. Like that. Here I am writing. What I am writing? CT1. What is this now? CT2. Next is what? CT3. 3. A value, B value, let it be. You execute it. Whatever it is. Getting the same data or not? I want to print them in a systematic manner. How do you print it? Now I am going to start. Okay, let it be. Keep it like that. Let me go to other point of it. See students, how simple it is. Go to that. Pure variable length argument example 2.py. Now I want to print the data. In what? Keys one side, values one side. Will you print it? How do you print it? For K comma V. K something like K key value, value of value. Why I am not taking K comma V? Because already K is there now. That's why. KV comma VV. KV means key value, value of value. Key value and key comma value. Don't think students. Come on, next. In K dot, very good, items. If items, copy, pop item, pop, get items, values, keys. Already explained. Good. Dot, start. Print of what? \T, some arrow here, \T, dot format of KV comma VV. See students, how simple it is. 1 minute. Close this now. Pure variable argument example 2.py. Out of that, see students, execute. See here, py. See students, got it. A value, A, B, C, D, and getting this data or not? You pass whatever you like it. Only one thing you pass it. Display. Next is called what you know? Something like SID. Something like SID is equal to 1, 2, 3. Name is equal to student name. S name is equal to what? Some student name is called Raj. Or some student. If any Raj is there, don't feel it. I will see that if any Raj is there. Okay, so many people are there. Something like I will write Mahesh, I will take it. Mahesh is there. So Mahesh is there. Mahesh is not there. No problem. Mahesh. Here any Mahesh is there? I don't know your name now. That's why. Mahesh. Next is called what? Hobby 1. Hobby 1 is equal to what? Sleep. Hobby 1 is, first one is called what? Eating. Next, what is next? Hobby 2. Hobby 2 is equal to what? You know already, you are not saying. Hobby 3 is equal to, Tell. Very good. Charting. Next, when do you read students? Paitana. So this is called one more type of function call. Same one function call only will be taken up. One function call only will be taken up. Are you following me? So save this. So coming to the point back. So here, pure variable length argument example 2, right? So pure variable argument example 2.py. Execute this code. See this now, students. Getting number, etc. is coming like this. Are you following? This is comes under what? How many I am defining? Only one or many are? Only one. Is it a great mechanism of passing or not? Yes. Here 4. Here something. Here something. These are called what? Keyword variable length arguments we can call. One more example I am going. This is known as what? Only keyword variable length. What is its priority? I am talking. Next example I am talking. Take care. Take care. Now I am talking. There is a student studying 10th class, secured 6 subjects marks. Intermediate, securing 3 subjects marks. BTech, 4 subject marks. Another, some 2 subjects, 1 subject, like that. What it indicates? What it indicates? 4 subjects marks, 3 subjects marks, 5 subjects marks. What it indicates? Is it not keyword variable length arguments or not? Let me start the things. Let me start. Example, if I start, you can understand automatically. Go to the main program. Main program. Find total marks. Total marks is my function name. 100 is the student name. Rosam is a student, or something like Rajesh. Rajesh is a student studying what class? 10th class. 10th class. Studying 10th class. Hindi, Telugu marks. Telugu marks 60. Next, Hindi marks 70. Next, maths marks 60. Science marks 60. Next, social marks is equal to some 75. Next, English marks also I will write it. English marks is equal to some 67. Math, science, social, etc. What did you understand? First 2 are called what? Positional. Next are called what? Keyword. Earlier only keyword. Now it is positional sender. Keyword. In this example, I will use keyword also, default also, everything. Finally, you cannot understand. Ready to understand? Okay. We'll see who will understand. Naveen, are you following? Next, find total marks. Who is that next? 200. Naveen, are you there? Yes. Next, who is this? 11th class student. 11th class student. Come on. What is there? Maths. What is that maths? How many marks? 70, 73. Maths. Next is called what? Physics. Physics is equal to what? 58. Next, chemistry. Chemistry is equal to 59. 59. 60, Naveen? Okay, 60, he got it. Okay. What did you understand? First 3 are what? Positionals. Next are what? What is this here? Keyword. How many keywords? 6. Here how many? 3. What is that called? Keyword variable length. 6 there, here 3. Okay. Next, one more student. Find total marks. 400. Yesterday, Veeresh is there. He was felt very much disappointed because I gave girls' names. He's a BTech now. B. Next, Veeresh, are you there? Veeresh is there today or in underground? I want to find out. Veeresh, are you there? Okay. Veeresh is very good student. Veeresh, come on. Now I am going to say OS marks. How many? OS out of 80, 60. Next to DBMS is 75. Next is called what? Next I am going to take it. Computer graphics. You got around 55. Come on. Next is called what? Something software engineering techniques. He got around 62. How many? 4 subjects. What did you understand? First three are what? Positionals. Next are called what? Keyword variable length arguments. Okay, now next find total marks. Find total marks. One more student. 500. Who is that next? Rosam. Rosam does not have any subject. No subjects are there. He is called what? Research. Research always. Always research doing. No more marks he is having. No more subjects. What did you understand? 6 variable keyword variable length. 3 keyword variable length. 4 keyword variable length. No keyword variable length also. Will you define 4 functions here? Will you define 4 or 2 or 1? 1. Will you define now? Come on. Everybody. DEF. Find total marks of, come on, SNO, SName, class. Class is a keyword. CLS, I will write it. CLS. Class is a keyword. Okay, come on. Double star, sub marks, subjects marks. Understood? Where I am using that star subject marks last. Default also. Previously, what were the competitors? Variable length and then default. But which one is adjusted first? Variable length. Next, now default and what is coming? Star. Which one is the last? We will see. Okay, now? You don't define it. Time is there. Not default. Not default. What is the last? Star variable is the last. Okay, now? Right. I'll define it more. So, coming to the point. So, there you define it. Come on, how do you define it? I'll say something like this. Something like this. Naveen, come to the point back. Here I am writing print of, come on, student number dot format of SNO. Next is called what, student? Student name. What is this now? S name. Next I will do what? Student class. Okay, what is this now? CLS. Okay. Then after that, what I should do? Subjects I need to print and then marks I need to print or not? There I will say, see students, print of \t. What is this now? Subject \t what? Marks. I will print it. How do you print the marks and subjects? Come on. For K, V or subject name, subject marks, SN, S name in sub marks dot what? Items. Print of what? \t. Come on, start with. I say \t. One \t only. 1 minute. \t. I'll write this \t. Are you following? Dot format of what? SN, SM. Okay. Try to execute. First you try to execute. There is no hurry at all. Cool. First you keep the comment for all of them. One only you take it. First get the perfection in that. Later we can execute. Py 3.py. See the answer now. Student number, student name, and then Rajesh under subject, under that marks. Got it up? Well, come on. If you want to have any small separation of that, you can do it. See students, done it. Rajesh marks. Under this, I want to print what? Total marks. Can I? Okay. How do you print total marks, students? Any logic, students? TM is equal to what? 0. You do what? TM is equal to TM plus SM. Got it? Well, you say now print total marks. Now I am writing print of what is this now? Tell me, students. Total marks colon dot what? Format of TM. TM you say. Execute it. Now see, students. Beautiful output. So total marks. I got it. Now go to this place. There you say backslash T something like this. You execute now. Careful. Got the total marks or not? This is comes under what? 1% details. Okay now? Okay. Now coming to this area. After finishing that, go to what? Another person comment you remove. Whose marks? Naveen marks is coming. Naveen marks is coming. First person is Rajesh marks. Next is called what? Naveen marks is coming. Naveen marks is coming. Next to whose marks I am going to display? Whose marks? Other people marks. Veeresh marks I am going to display. Veeresh marks I am going to display. Execute and Rosam marks is also going to come. See, students, Veeresh marks also going to come. And then Rosam marks also going to come. No subjects are there, nothing is there. Are you following me? This indicates what? What it indicates? Positional arguments as well as what? Right. Now I want to use these people. Separate example I want to show you. No confusion at all. Today I am using what? These are all belongs to what? State name called what? TS. What is that? What is that? TS. I want to write state name. Here I don't want to write state name, state name, state name. I don't want to place. For all the people, some lakhs of people are there. I don't want to write TS, 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 TS. What should I do? I will go to default. Where should I write default? Before star star variable, after star star variable, that is a question mark. After or before? Suppose if I write after, see here, state. State is equal to state name. State is equal to what I am writing? TS if I write it. TS I am writing. I am writing. Nothing will happen. Just watch it. What is there? State name. Student state. Student state. What is this now? Student state. What is this now? State. I am writing state. You try to execute. Try to execute. Pure variable argument example 4.py. 4.py. Execute. Py. See, students. What is happening? So, invalid syntax. That means I should write what first? Like this, if you write in the last, it will give you error. You try to write. This you write before. This you write before. Are you following me? Now you see. Now you see. Huh? Okay. Comma you see. Now you see. Answer is what? All of you. What is the state name? TS. State name next to TS. All of them are TS. All of them are TS. But Rosam belongs to what? Netherlands. Rosam belongs to what? How do you pass it? Keyword arguments. Can I write before 500? Can I write middle of Rosam and research? Where should I write it? What should I do? State is equal to what? NL. What a beautiful subject. NL. See that. NL. Others. TS. 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 What is this concept? Now you are playing with the passing the arguments. I don't know whether you are playing or not, but I am playing. Are you playing? Do you know game of playing? Rules and regulations. You know or not? You take any student outside and ask. First of all, data types only they don't know. So, are you following me? Now, suppose Veeresh is going for what? UK is going. Where should I write UK? Can I write city is equal to here? State is equal to what? Is going UK, for example. It's not a state, country, for example. Come on. Is going something like Mumbai, for example. Valid or invalid? Say, students. So, try to execute. What is happening? You see. Veeresh state you see. Mumbai. Why invalid? Invalid or valid? Valid. Why? State is already there or not? State is already there. So, first one. Not only in this place, you can pass like this. You can pass like this. 1 comma. Here you same. Comma you same. What is this now? State is equal to what? Mumbai. You execute it. You execute it. See this now. What is happening? Mumbai. Others are what? TS. TS. Are you following me? Yes. Where I am using default? Last term, first term. Here. Last term, first term. That is when we use keyword variable length and then default. Which one should use first before? Default. Later. Keyword. Are you okay? Confused? Are you okay up to here? Will you understand next also? I'll go for what next? Variable length I will add it. Variable length. Online students, Monica got already confused. First wicket gone. 1 wicket gone already. So, confused? Nothing confused. Because Sir is doing hypnotism. You cannot understand, you cannot. They will become, oh, Sir said that, not understand. I'll copy this. Simple students. Go to that. So, little means that is more than enough, mom. 99% understanding, 1% not understanding, that is called a not understanding only. Yes. So all of them comes under that category only. 1% not understanding, 99% understanding, definitely not understanding only according to my principle. Now, come to that. 5.py. Most powerful one. Start. Rajesh, 10th class. These are all called what? Come on. Keyword variable length. What these are all? What these are all? What these are all? Keyword variable length, the default. Okay. Now, Rajesh is passing the data like that. What data? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next, Naveen is passing 10, 20, 30, 40. What is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? Observe the data. Number, name, class, okay. Number, 5 values, 4 values. Here, Veeresh is passing 100, 200 only. Then, Rosam is passing -1, -2, -3, -4, -5 is passing. Then state is equal to NL. What did you understand? These are called what in the middle? Variable length. Variable length. Here variable length is there, positionally is there, keyword variable length is there. Come on now. I will write. To hold this variable length values also, what I will write? Star variable I need to write. Where should I write star variable? Before positional? Before positional? No. Last. Where? Before default or after default? So star vals. Star vals I am writing. Star vals. Are you getting? Star vals. Now, sir, you write. Come on, what is this now? I am writing some special line I am writing. What is this now? Variable length values. Here I am writing separate message. What is this now? Variable length values. Variable length values. There I will print it. How do I print? For val in where? Vals. Print what? Print \t dot what? Format of val. That's all. Execute. One more bracket. Okay. So, pure variable argument example .py. See, students. So, py. See the answer now. What happens? -1. Okay. For minus, it is there. Okay. No issue. Come on now. All of you start understanding. First one, variable length values. Getting or not? Next, Rajesh. Next is called what? Variable length for what? Naveen. Next is called total marks. This is for what? Viresh. And next is called what? This is for Rosam. Got it. And Netherlands. Now I'll go to last and final. I'll say here, find total marks of 600. Now I'm passing my name and I'm passing something like what trainer. Trainer I am writing. I am writing just trainer. So I am writing trainer. Neither I am passing what? Neither I am passing variable length, nor I am passing keyword variable length. What is the state? TS, default state. What is the state? C, execute. C, last one, 600 trainer, neither default variable length is available, nor these things are available. Got it? So finally, what is your syntax? What is your syntax, students? DEF, function name, functional, what is that? Positional params, variable length, default, keyword variable length. Keyword? Right. Let me go to the keyword variable length parameter concept. Online students, Naveen, Viresh, all the students, did you understand? Monica also understood. Good. Now, understood. Come on, start. When we have family of multiple function calls with a keyword variable number of values or arguments with a normal programming of Python, we must define multiple function definitions. You have seen it or not? This process leads to what? More development time. Where you have seen it, I hope you forget already. That's why. Much better now, this is the one, this is the one, this is the one. To overcome that, what we are defining? One definition with a double star. Come on. To overcome this process, we must use the concept of keyword variable length parameters. To implement keyword variable length params concept, we must define a single function definition and takes a formal parameter preceded with a symbol called double asterisk, star param. And the formal parameter with a double asterisk symbol is called keyword variable length parameter, and whose purpose is to hold or store any number of key comma value pair coming from similar function call and whose type is dictive. C, syntax for defining a function with a keyword variable length parameters. DEF, function name, list of formal parameters, star param. Here star param is called what? Variable length, keyword variable length parameter, and it can hold any number of keyword argument values or keyword variable number of argument values. And star param type is called dict. Rule: star param must be always written in the last part of the function heading, and it must be only one, but not final syntax of the function. Final syntax. Actually, what I wrote it in our syntax, if you look at, my dear students, syntax for function, you see, open it. Now, if you go to an interviewer is asking, what is the syntax of the function? What is the syntax? Day one, I said DEF, function name, list of formal parameters. How many formal parameters you can write it? 4. Number 1, positionals. Next, variable length. Next, default. Next, keyword variable length. Keyword arguments you will use in a function call, not in the definition part. Are you okay? This is a way to tell you. So when you come to one stage of expertism, you have to tell. If anybody asks you what is the syntax of the function, you tell this syntax. First positional params, next variable length params, next default params, next keyword variable length param. Say the definition now, interviewer will feel he is an expert. If you say list of formal parameters, you will ask how many list of formal parameters. Are you following me? Now the day one, what you have written? Day one, what you have written the example. Now today you see what is your knowledge increasing. And రోజు చదువుకుంటే increase అవుతుంది. If you read daily, it will increase. If we never touch the book, we will be there only. Okay. Last and final. This example I will copy in PyCharm. Because Naveen doubt I want to clarify. Which one is used in the industry? Got it. Yes, ma. Monica is reading every day. Every day, every student must read. Every day, every student must read. Then you can get the good knowledge. Save this, close the project. Now go to the 6 p.m. functions. 6 p.m. functions. Close this entire thing. So see this now. Here I will go to it. Take this now. Python file. What is this now? Function example dot what? Py. See the students. I pasted. Just pasted. Okay, ma. Sagatika, you are also reading. Okay, all the students will read. Nice students. See that same thing I copied. Naveen, run this code. Run this code. What is the answer? Got it. See the answer. See the answer. List of values. Rajesh. Total marks. Next what? Another variable length. Naveen. Marks. Next Viresh marks. Next what? Rosam marks. Trainer. And no variable length. No keyword. Anything change? No. So we have to drive the code in any of the environment. Okay, students? Now, this concept will make you to understand. Go to this place and see the index of the functions once. See the index of the functions once in your location. Functions here. If I come back on Monday, what is the topic I am discussing? I'll show you. What is finished today? Arguments and parameters. Monday I will come back. I'll discuss what? These things I will discuss. Global keyword, global function, global variables and local variables. Only one topic. I'll talk about it on Monday. Okay now? Right. Don't miss on Monday. Important class.